Hello everyone, here's Harry Novic, creator and founder of Rocky.ai, the coach in my pocket. I'm very happy to meet you tonight, and I had quite a journey to come to this place to present to you my startup. Before I was working for Rocky with Rocky, I had actually a corporate career where I spent 10 years in Asia as sales director and people manager, with the main role of developing business for a German robotics company in Asia and to develop the sales managers of tomorrow there. Before that also, I worked for 10 years as product developer, in particular from the software side and communications and electronics, but also as product manager and industry segment manager. I'm very happy to meet you and looking forward to talk more to you. Thanks.